Today we'll be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 225 different strategies, with 74 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 114 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,001 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, day trading strategy for beginners using TradingView indicators. And so, not a horribly wild claim. And so, but we will definitely put this to the test to see if it is beginner friendly or just trader friendly in general. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the one-sided Gaussian filter, this one right here. You'll add that to the screen and it will look like this here. What you'll do is jump into the settings, and under the Gaussian level depth, you'll change that to 30. Under the extra smoothing, change that to 15. The ATR, change that to 21, and the ATR multiplier, change that to 1. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator you will want to add to the screen is going to be the super trend or super trended RSI, this one right here. Then you'll add that to the screen and go ahead and jump into the settings on this one as well. So under the RSI length, you're going to change that to 16. Under the smoothing length, you're going to change that to 20. And under the MA length here, you're going to change that to 12. And lastly, the factor, you're going to change that to 1. Click OK, and it should look as I have on screen now. So what we're looking for a long trade is we're looking for a long signal. It's kind of hard to see, but there is a yellow L and yellow arrow right here. And then you can see that the moving average type line there also switches to the green color. And then lastly, you can see that the bar coloration also switches with the color of that line as well. And so those kind of help you to see that long signal. When you get that long signal right there, what you're going to do is look down to the super trended RSI, and you want it to be in the green position. So you see how it has this green background here. And so that will be your signal to enter into a long. You're going to set your trade right there. You're going to put your stop right at this lower dashed line right here. And then you're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. So right there will do it. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. And we get a really nice move up there, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what you're looking for is when you get the sell signal from the one-sided Gaussian indicator. And you again can see that by the red line, or the line switching to red, and a red colored candle. It's kind of hard to see that one, but right here. And then you're going to look down to the super trended RSI, and you want that to also be red. And so when all those line up, that's going to be your signal to enter into a short. You're going to set your trade right here. Again, you'll put your stop right at the upper dashed line this time, and then you're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there will work. Let's get this line back up. There we go. All right, let's play this one forward and see what we get. And again, a really nice move down, getting us to our take profit again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 14 winning trades and 36 losing trades, putting it at a 28% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $8,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,400 for an overall loss of $6,000 altogether. So definitely not a beginner-friendly day trading strategy. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 36 trades altogether, had 32 winning trades and 4 losing trades, putting it at an 87% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $19,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $3,600 for an overall gain of $15,600 altogether. Significantly better results by far. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. So let's go ahead and go over the weekly signal. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator. On these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin, this is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades that the Academy of Forex indicator gave us. And so last week on the Forex pairs, we had 3 trades altogether, 3 winning trades, a 100% win rate, would have been a gain of $1,800. On the crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 2 winning trades, a 100% win rate, again a gain of $1,200 for an overall gain of $3,000 altogether on the week. At our 16-week total now, we would have been up $32,140 over 149 trades. And so really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. All right, that puts us at the end of this strategy here. This one is definitely going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.